Okay, next question. The diagram below shows a supermarket shopping cart on a travelator. I'm sure you've seen supermarket shopping carts on travelators. When a shopping cart is on the travelator, the casters fit into the gaps of the travelator. The travelator is just like an escalator, but instead of steps, it is a hill. It is a slope, and it is tilted at an angle. In this case, it's angle K. So Randy used 3 different materials, X, Y, and Z, to make the caster. This is the casters. Alright, and he has his results, which is shown here. So as you can see, if the caster is made of material X, the distance moved is 39 cm before coming to a stop. Y 76 and Z 12. So do remember that the more it moves, the lesser friction there is between the caster and the travelator. Okay, so in this case, we can tell that Z has the most friction because it prevented the shopping cart from moving a longer distance. In fact, Z only allowed the shopping cart to move the least distance, whereas Y, on the other hand, is on the other extreme. Y allowed the shopping cart to move quite a distance before it stops, meaning that Y has the least friction between the travelator and the caster. So what was the aim of the Randy's experiment? Remember, this is a relationship question. What's the aim of the experiment? The aim is usually, it's a similar way to find the aim. Just look at the relationship and modify accordingly. So the aim of the experiment is to find out how materials X, Y, and Z each affect the distance moved by a shopping cart before it's able to come to a stop. Alright, so one more time, the aim of the Randy's experiment is really to find how the different materials X, Y, and Z, or how each material X, Y, and Z affect the distance moved by the shopping cart before coming to stop when it is made into the caster of the shopping cart. Alright, okay, so from the table above, from this table, which material should Randy use to make the caster? So look at these materials. Which material gives you the greatest friction? Alright, and that's what your answer should be. And why should the angle of the travelator not be made more than K is the third question. Why should the angle of the travelator not be made more than K degrees? We do know that the greater the slope, right? The greater the slope, the lesser the friction gets, and also because the slope that was used to test the material was K degrees, and so therefore if you change K degrees, then the distance moved by the shopping cart would also change. Alright, so those are the two possible reasons why the angle of the travelator not be more than K. I would advise you to write both actually, alright, for this particular question. If you have any question regarding this, just replay and rewind. Alright, one more time, perhaps take down notes so that you are able to answer it later on your own. Thank you.